Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this completely honest finding perfect changes everything. Check this out if you love smart solutions. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is mind-blowingly effective because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade while stocks last. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this completely honest finding perfect changes everything. Check this out if you love smart solutions.